Welcome to another exciting episode of The Traveler Tale. I'm thrilled to have you on board as we embark on a journey to one of the most enchanting countries in the world, Italy. Get ready to explore the top 10 places that will captivate your senses and leave you longing for more. So let's dive into the rich tapestry of Italy. Our Italian adventure begins with number 1, Rome. Rome, the capital city of Italy, is a captivating blend of ancient ruins and modern vibrancy. Steeped in history, this magnificent city offers a journey through time like no other. One cannot visit Rome without exploring its iconic landmarks. The Colosseum stands as an enduring symbol of Roman engineering prowess and once hosted gladiatorial contests that captivated audiences. The Roman Forum, once the heart of political and social life in ancient Rome, showcases ruins that transport visitors back to a bygone era. A trip to Rome would be incomplete without a visit to Vatican City, home to world-renowned attractions such as the Sistine Chapel and St. Peter's Basilica. As you wander through the streets of Rome, you'll encounter architectural wonders at every turn. The Pantheon, with its impressive dome and intricately designed interior, never fails to leave visitors in awe. Number 2, Florence. Florence, known as the cradle of the Renaissance, holds a significant place in shaping Western art and culture during this remarkable period. One cannot miss the architectural marvels that adorn Florence's skyline. Brunelleschi's dome is a testament to human ingenuity and engineering prowess. Its breathtaking beauty is best appreciated from Piazzale Michelangelo, offering panoramic views of the city. Another must-visit landmark is Palazzo Vecchio. Its intricate architecture reflects the power and grandeur of Medici rule during the Renaissance era. A stroll across Ponte Vecchio Bridge is like stepping back in time. This medieval stone arch bridge spans River Arno and has been home to jewelry shops since ancient times. As you walk along its cobblestone pathway, you can't help but be enchanted by its historical charm. Number 3, Venice. Venice, often referred to as the Queen of the Adriatic, is a city built upon water canals, giving it an ethereal charm that captivates visitors from around the world. One of the key attractions in Venice is St. Mark's Square, also known as Piazza San Marco. The grandeur of these architectural masterpieces is truly awe-inspiring and offers a glimpse into Venice's rich history. No visit to Venice would be complete without taking a gondola ride along the iconic Grand Canal. You'll feel enveloped by an enchanting atmosphere that is unique to this city. Murano Island is renowned for its glass-making tradition, where skilled artisans craft exquisite glass creations using centuries-old techniques. Explore Murano Island with its vibrant houses painted in cheerful colors, creating a charming backdrop for leisurely strolls along its narrow streets. And if you're seeking relaxation and pristine beaches, head to Lido, an oasis where sun-soaked shores meet crystal-clear waters. Number 4, Milan. Milan, the fashion capital of Italy, is synonymous with luxury, trend-setting design, and impeccable style. It's a city that effortlessly blends its rich history with modern architectural marvels. One of the most iconic landmarks in Milan is the magnificent Duomo Cathedral. Its intricate Gothic architecture leaves visitors in awe, and those who venture to its rooftop are rewarded with breathtaking views of the city's skyline. Another must-visit destination in Milan is the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele Secco shopping arcade. This elegant gallery is not just a shopper's paradise, but also an architectural masterpiece. Stroll through its glamorous halls adorned with high-end boutiques and cafes. Number 5, Amalfi Coast. The Amalfi Coast is a truly breathtaking stretch of coastline in Italy that will leave you in awe. With its colorful cliffside towns perched on the edge, overlooking the shimmering azure waters of the Mediterranean Sea, it is nothing short of paradise. One of the highlights of visiting the Amalfi Coast is exploring the picturesque towns that dot this stunning landscape. Positano, with its pastel-colored houses cascading down to the sea, offers mesmerizing vistas at every turn. Ravello, known for its beautiful gardens and panoramic views, is an idyllic escape from reality. And Sorrento captivates visitors with its charming cafes, luxury resorts, and vibrant atmosphere. Number 6, Siena. Siena is a captivating city that exudes medieval charm at every turn. Its cobblestone streets, bustling piazzas, and historic sites transport visitors back in time. One of the most iconic landmarks in Siena is Il Campo, which serves as the heart of the city. This shell-shaped main square is surrounded by beautifully preserved buildings and offers a vibrant atmosphere. Another highlight of Siena is the famous Palio horse race, held twice a year in Piazza del Campo. This thrilling event attracts both locals and tourists alike, as jockeys compete fiercely for victory amidst thunderous cheers from spectators. No visit to Siena would be complete without exploring its awe-inspiring religious sites. The Cathedral of Santa Maria Assunta stands tall with its intricate Gothic facade and breathtaking interior adorned with masterful artworks. The Torre del Mangia Tower next to it offers panoramic views of the cityscape and surrounding Tuscan countryside. Number 7. Naples. Naples, with its authentic Italian character and vibrant street life, offers a captivating blend of history, culture, and gastronomy. One cannot explore Naples without indulging in the city's most famous culinary creation, pizza. The incredible flavors and thin crusts found in the city are unparalleled. In close proximity to Naples lies the archaeological site of Pompeii, a UNESCO World Heritage Site frozen in time since Mount Vesuvius erupted in AD 79. Exploring this ancient Roman city allows visitors to experience firsthand how daily life was abruptly halted by one of history's most catastrophic events. Number 8. Bologna. Bologna is a city that will satisfy even the most discerning food lovers. Renowned for its rich pasta sauces, succulent Parma ham, and exquisite balsamic vinegar, Bologna offers a culinary experience like no other. In addition to its gastronomic delights, Bologna boasts remarkable architectural beauty. Piazza Maggiore serves as the heart of the city, where locals and tourists gather to enjoy the vibrant atmosphere. The magnificent Fountain of Neptune stands proudly in the square, captivating visitors with its intricate details. An iconic symbol of Bologna's skyline is the pair of leaning towers, Asinelli and Garisenda Towers. These medieval structures provide breathtaking panoramic views of the city and serve as a reminder of Bologna's glorious past. The imposing Basilica di San Petronio stands adjacent to Piazza Maggiore. With its stunning blend of Gothic and Renaissance architecture, this grand basilica leaves visitors in awe. For those seeking an authentic local experience, exploring Quadrilatero Market District is a must. Here you can immerse yourself in bustling markets filled with fresh produce, aromatic spices, and local delicacies. Number 9. Cinque Terre. Cinque Terre is a collection of 5 charming coastal villages precariously perched on rugged cliffs. Each village offers its own unique charm and allure. Rio Maggiore welcomes visitors with its colorful houses cascading down the hillside to the sea. Its picturesque harbor provides a perfect spot for enjoying fresh seafood while taking in breathtaking views. Manarola enchants with its vineyard-covered slopes and narrow alleyways leading to the rocky coastline. It is renowned for its sweet Siacatra wine and vibrant atmosphere. Corniglia stands out as the only village not directly connected to the sea, but instead boasts panoramic views from atop a cliff. Its peaceful streets invite exploration and provide an escape from bustling crowds. Vernazza captivates with its pastel-colored buildings clustered around a small harbor lined with fishing boats. The medieval castle ruins offer stunning vistas of the sparkling azure Mediterranean Sea. Monterosso al Mare is known for its sandy beaches, making it an ideal spot for relaxation after hiking along the scenic trails that connect all 5 villages. Number 10. Verona. Verona, a city immortalized by Shakespeare's timeless love story, Romeo and Juliet, is a must-visit destination for romantics and enthusiasts of literary history. One of the highlights in Verona is Juliet's Balcony, a legendary site where lovers from around the world come to pay homage to Shakespeare's iconic characters. Exploring Piazza delle Erbe is another delightful experience in Verona. This vibrant square offers a charming blend of medieval architecture, bustling markets, and lively cafes. Verona Arena is an ancient Roman amphitheater that still hosts spectacular performances today. Imagine being transported back in time as you witness grand opera productions or concerts within these historic walls. As our Italian adventure draws to a close, I urge you to share your thoughts in the comments below. Which destination ignited your wanderlust the most? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow travel enthusiasts. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and may your travels be as endless as the captivating landscapes of Italy. Safe travels, fellow wanderers.